morning, Sora. Hey, great to see the punctual streak still kicking. Big job today over in Lincoln Park. Came in late last night.
Can we make sure they have their shit together before we make any installs?
Oh, not corporate today. House call in an hour.
You say Lincoln. So we got the...
Yes, the big one. We're eating good tonight, gentlemen.
Elaborate, poor flavor.
Client A.
Been doing business with them for years. Gigs are usually pretty simple. The pay is like that of an unsupervised child on Genshin Impact. Say no more. Hit me with the address, Yuna.
Oh. I didn't know you'd be in today, Paracelsus. I thought you were off.
I live here.
Sora? You want to head out in a bit?
Sure thing, boss.
Whoa, wow! You said next chance was my moment. My time to shine.
It is. He just needs the experience.
So give him a house call in Englewood. I got dibs.
Hey, text me the address. Gotta pick up some crunch wraps on the way. You guys want anything?
Ooh, I'll take Cinnabon Delights if you don't mind.
Done.
So these only been here for 2 weeks. Why does he get a shot at the big time?
Well, you know, it's been so busy recently. I need your expertise holding down the fort.
Had 2 calls in the last week.
It's a real important job.
So you trust this newbie over your loyal employee of 6 years?
I can't put it into words. It's like he was just made for this job, you know? It's a simple lockpick anyway.
So let me work.
And sometimes simple isn't your strongest suit.
You can't keep holding Naperville over my head.
Listen, if I was locked in a military bunker, there's no one else I'd rather have, but
I can do this, Yuna.
it's a lot of money.
Fine. Go back on your word. Not very just of you.
No, it'll just be a few extra expensive vacations we can take this year. Oh, don't be mad.
I'm not mad.
He's mad.
Why do we live out here?
Mercy! Are you allergic to smoothly paved roads?
You know you could have rode along if you just asked.
Yeah! Right. Either way. I'm here now.
Need some water or something?
And I'm calling the shots.
All right, man, just take a breath.
Besides, I got this time with the client. It'll smooth us over for a better tip, if you know what I mean.
Whatever you say, man, Jesus Christ.
You can hang out here. I know you were feeling drowsy this morning.
Sure you won't need any help?
I think I'll manage without any assistance from Locksmith Master Sora. Thank you very much. Morning, Gus. Here for the 7 o'clock. See? Hates your guts.
This little guy lives here all by himself?
He's the butler, kid. Client A is a very busy person.
This person have a regular name?
Just keep your trap shut and watch a pro at work.
Hey, appreciate the early visit. We know you guys are very busy, but your boss not make it. This is kind of a sensitive matter.
She put me in charge. I'm a lead tech today.
It's just Usually, she comes by, you know?
I assure you're in impeccable hands.
And I don't think the, surprise will be appreciated.
It means you.
I'll let my work speak for itself.
Here, kid, play with this. Where's the job?
Right this way.
Okay. So what is it?
That's none of your concern, Key. Just get it open.
We probably shouldn't.
Hey, we're not here to lecture, Dr. Connors. We're here to do business. I'm sorry about that. He's a little slow.
No, I mean, it looks like a beeped up scram monitor, and we shouldn't fuck with that.
Who's this guy? What's with the third degree, huh?
He's on an H-1B. Look, kid, just stand over here.
You really shouldn't mess with that man.
For heck, like he shouldn't. Rookies, am I right?
Proceed, please.
I'm on it.
Chucker.
Kid, can you get your boss, please? Hey! What do you think you're doing? I'm sorry, I couldn't stop him. He just went for you.
Lincoln, huh?
Of all the places for you to work,
Pretty nice digs.
you couldn't just get a job at Krispy Kreme or some other place with a tangible benefit?
I've definitely mentioned where I work.
And I wasn't listening!
So hi.
Out of my fucking mind! I thought you just picked up a regular teen job. I wasn't gonna listen to your sitcom drama for 2 hours.
What'd you do?
All right, buddy, you're out of line.
So what'd you do?
Sora, you know, right? You know how this is gonna work, because I'm not telling you. You wouldn't want to go through some desperate maneuver to try to get me to cave in. I mean, I'll pretend, but I'm just gonna feed you some bullshit, win you over, and you'll figure out like 3 weeks from now due to no fault of my own. That's just nonsense. You wanna skip that this time?
7 o'clock call-in? I'd say you're in kind of a hurry.
Gonna pick up soccer next, Detective Conan.
I suppose we can skip. If you make it worth my while.
How mortal blackmails me?
Well, since you don't need anything.
I'll call up your boss who I'm on great terms with and get your ass fired.
Client A. Alessandra.
Your move.
Sweet. I'll be in my room.
I'll give you a copy of the house key up front for girlfriend use on Fridays only.
Yeah? I really should have seen it coming, honestly.
Some Keyblade master.
I'm not even arguing. I really should know better by now.
You really should.
Assuming you can't just teleport us out of here?
Completely nulled. Why else would I call you?
Right. All right then.
Damn, they weren't playing with this, huh?
Any other surprises I should know about? Yeah, that's my fault too.
At least you're learning.
Cover me for a sec.
Another plan. Look at you.
Maybe if I just keep my phone out of sight, I can call Yuna. Get over here.
You're coming out of pocket for that one.
Paracelsus.
What?
Paracelsus! Hey! Hey! Wake up!
Oh, kid, what did you do now? Leave it to me again to clean up your mess.
No! Don't! Don't! He's gonna try to unlock it again.
Maybe he'll get it open. Yeah, we're cooked. The hell, jackass? You trying to get yourself killed?
I figured... What if she's just goofing?
I pick my spots. Thank you.
How does a goddess get placed on house arrest?
Sora, the law doesn't tell me shit.
Then why?
Hey, don't get in the blame train now. Keep the ideas coming.
Off rush out of that, Captain. Where's yours?
You kicked it, then killed him.
Oh, he'll respawn. Probably.
Hey, he's getting back up.
Paracelsus! No,
No, no, no,
no,
no.
no, no, no. Call Yuna. The situation hasn't really, hit me yet, but I promise you it's gonna set in later.
Parastosis!
Kid fucked up.
What happened?
Tagged along on the job, purely in a supervisory capacity. One moment everything's fine, next. The box. Nothing. Can penetrate.
Where's Sora?
Inside. The box.
And you just left him there? Is he hurt?
Oh, he's cruising for a bruising soon.
Need some details here. When you say box?
I mean a box. A big, explosive box.
Okay. I'll figure it out. Come on.
How about now?
Weirdly? No, it's still not hitting me yet.
That's wild, cause it's starting to hit me a little bit.
Nah, really?
You're taking this extremely well.
It's probably fine.
If you have some kind of plan, I'm happy to admit your anchor status here.
Need to grab on?
Hold on to that, cause I might need to.
Yuna!
Oh dear. Don't worry, I'll have you out soon.
See? Totally fine.
Feel like a fool for ever doubting you.
What's the plan? Touching isn't really on the itinerary.
Don't worry. I've seen this before.
You've seen this before.
First, we need to get you inside.
Do you need your ears checked, woman? I said we can't touch it.
We won't need to touch it.
Oh. Some form of magic, then.
I'm gonna jack shot you through the wall. I may not be as good as the hubby, but I picked up a few tricks.
You're going to what?
Okay, that went a little crazy.
A whole lot crazy. Jesus.
But what did we accomplish?
This. So Fridays, right?
Yeah, Fridays.
It's here to stay, not here to play. Can't be going now, nothing to do, not here for you. He'll be coming through. Am I the fool? What they gonna steal? It's the day I rule. Just can't be rid of you. It's never ending. Take flight, say bye, don't wait up for these eyes to greet you, meet you, pull you up when you do. No good here, still clear failures, all that lives here. I pay a price, it's high, but I'm not ever gonna die. Lazy Jay-Z's got nothing on him, baby. Crazy, maybe he'll be the one to send me off my rocker. I'll buy one just to use it. My way outside. Never gonna live this down. Stuck with a clown, a silly soldier got sent down for less. The punchline for another life, stabbed with a knife. The feeling that it's all for the cheap laughs. I really try and do the good book right, but ignorance always puts up a fight. The cost is at the bottom of an ocean trench. I'm not pulling out till the litigation pays me.